Lift the arm off the windshield so the arm stays in the upright position. If you have not removed your wiper blade, please see the wiper removal video first. For installation on a side pin arm, the connector you will be using has been pre-installed for convenience. Follow these steps for quick and easy installation. Rotate the connector into a vertical position until the round end is facing the rubber. Insert the pin into the larger hole on the blade connector. Press down on the connector, locking the pin in place. You will hear a click sound. Test to ensure the blade is secure. Gently lower the arm back onto the windshield. It's always a good idea to run a few test wipe cycles on your vehicle after installing new blades to ensure they are working properly.